Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring Windows and accounts are ready. Open Settings and confirm Windows 10 or 11, then free up at least 2 GB. That prevents installation failures. Next, back up your worlds by copying the saves folder from %appdata% Minecraft to a safe location so you can restore if needed. Once done, launch Microsoft Store and sign in with the same account you used to buy Minecraft. This ensures the store recognizes your license and allows the update to proceed smoothly. Now handle the actual download and installation. Open Microsoft Store and go straight to Library, then hit Get Updates so the store fetches the latest installer. Find Minecraft, either the Java Launcher or Bedrock Edition, and click Update. This downloads the patched files and replaces outdated components. After the update finishes, run the Minecraft launcher as administrator to finalize file rights and permissions. This step reduces launch errors and ensures mods or resource packs are recognized properly once you open your game. Finish by launching Minecraft and checking the version in Options or About. This confirms the update applied. Make sure your saved worlds appear. If they do not, copy them back from your backup folder to %appdata% Minecraft /saves. If you encounter crashes or the store won't update, run WS reset. exe to clear Microsoft Store cache, then sign out and back in. If problems persist, reinstall the launcher only. You keep world backups. These steps resolve the most common update issues quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.